Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your friends list from view on Facebook. This is easy and straightforward to do, so let's begin. I'll be doing this via the Facebook app, but if you are on desktop, follow along too because it's the same steps. On Facebook, tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then open Settings. Here on the Settings page, scroll down to the Privacy section and then tap on Privacy Settings. Now on the Privacy Settings page, scroll down until you see the option called Who Can See Your Friends List and tap on that. You can now choose from a few options. If you only want to hide your friends list from the public, but want to allow your friends to see it, then select the Friends option. If you want to hide your friends list from absolutely everyone but yourself, then tap on See More and then select Only Me. And that's it, your friends list is now hidden. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.